What's going on, everybody? Cack and Balls here again with another unboxing video. Got some more. Hopefully, I bought so much stuff in the past week. My birthday was a couple days ago that I honestly don't remember what's in this box and what I bought. I do know that tomorrow I should have a really big box coming. I may actually have to shoot that video outside because of how massive the box is. So, starting off, we got some packing paper here. Okay, I know what this is. And this is a non-working Rockford Fosgate 40iX amplifier. I ended up picking this up because I wanted the end caps to it. So, let's go ahead and take this off here real quick. Interesting pack job. I don't think I've ever seen the blue masking tape used as packing tape before, but interesting. So there's that. All this here. So there we have 40iX amplifier, and it's supposed to not work, which isn't a big deal. Like I said, huh. That wasn't mentioned. There seems to be a cut. Well, okay. So that wasn't mentioned in the guy's ad. That's interesting. So, anyway, this thing reeks heavily, almost like perfumey smelling for some reason. So anyway, I'll clean this up. What I'll probably do is I'll probably throw some JB Weld in here and try to make this appear to be how it's supposed to be, I guess. I don't know. So, anyway, real quick unboxing. I'm going to use the end caps. Like I said, the 40iX badge is going to come off. Excuse me. And I'm going to end up using the end caps for another amp that I have. So, hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you like it, give me a thumbs up. If not, give me a thumbs down. Everybody's doing that whole, ring the bell thing so whenever you get notified about new videos and stuff. You can do that. I don't post a whole lot of videos like every day or multiple times a week. But if you want to do that and subscribe, that'd be awesome. So, have a good one, guys.